Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and one of my viewers that has sent me many suggestions, and this might be the best one he's ever done, so I appreciate it. Yesterday, I moved this one up here, and you had to get the placement right. This one's perfect. So his suggestion is to make a copy of it, duplicate it, double-click on it, move the rotation to the center like we did yesterday. Double-click on it, make sure it's in the center, and then rotate it 90 degrees, Control D, rotate it 180 degrees, and then duplicate it again. Now, our nudge factor is set on 2 inches, so we can move the black part out of the way. We can grab these and Control G, and then Control D, and then you can either hit the mirror horizontally or vertically. Whoop, I didn't make a duplicate. Let me back up. Control D, and let's do them here. Then you nudge this back and they're perfectly in, you're not eyeballing that second one up here and then rotating them. I'd actually kind of thought about, well, I hadn't thought about the last part, but I thought about rotating them and then doing something else. So I thank him for that suggestion and hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.